Welcome to your French class. In this class, we will do a practice exercise of les adjectifs interrogatifs. Okay. First, we will understand what is interrogative adjective. We use quel to form a question, and that means which and what. Okay. And it is used in place of an article, and we always place it directly in front of a noun. So, it must agree with the noun in gender and number. So, for all the masculine singular cases, we use quel. For feminine singular cases, we use quelle with double LE. For all the masculine plural cases, we make the masculine singular, adding an S, we make it plural. For all the feminine plural cases, we use the feminine singular case and we add S. Okay. So, let us come to the sentences now. Now, the first sentence is, after blank, we will start it with ton fait-il en hiver. Ton is masculine singular, although it is having S, but this word is written like this only. It is masculine singular. So, we will use the masculine singular case, quel. Quel temps fait-il en hiver? That means, what is the weather like in winter? Okay. Or in English, we say, how is the weather in winter? Okay. Now, the second statement is, de couleur est le ciel en été. Now, couleur is feminine singular, so we will use the feminine singular case. De quelle couleur est le ciel en été? Of which color is the sky in summer? Now, the third statement is, dash âge avez-vous? Âge word is masculine singular, so we will again use masculine singular case. Quel âge avez-vous means what is your age or how old are you? Okay. Now, the next statement is, dash est votre nom? Now, no word is masculine singular, so we will use masculine singular case. Quel est votre nom? What is your name? Now, the next statement is, dash sont vos prénoms? Now, prénom is masculine plural here, so we will take masculine plural case. Quels sont vos prénoms? Now, the next statement is, dash stylo aimes-tu? Now, stylo is masculine plural, so we will take masculine plural case. Quels stylos aimes-tu means which pens do you like? Now, the next statement is, dash est sa nationalité? Nationalité is feminine, so we will use feminine singular case. Quelle est sa nationalité? What is her nationality? Now, the next statement is, dash ville as-tu visité? Now, ville is given here in feminine plural form, so we will use feminine plural case. Quelle ville as-tu visité? Which cities have you visited? Now, the next statement is, dans dash pays est-il né? Now, pays is masculine singular here. Dans quel pays est-il né? In which country he was born? Now, pays word is carrying S, but it is the same in masculine singular and plural form. Now, let us come to the next one. Dash restaurant aimes-tu? Restaurant is masculine singular, so we will take the masculine singular case. Quel restaurant aimes-tu? Which restaurant do you like? Now, the next one is, à dash fille parle-t-il? Now, fille is feminine singular, so we will take feminine singular case. À quelle fille parle-t-il means to which girl he is talking. Now, the next one is, dans dash sac a-t-il mis ses cahiers? Now, sac is masculine singular, so we will take masculine singular case here. Dans quel sac a-t-il mis ses cahiers? That means in which bag did he put his notebooks? Now, the next one is, dash monument avez-vous visité? Monument is masculine plural, so we will take masculine plural case. Quel monument avez-vous visité? Means which monuments have you visited? Now, the next one is, histoire is feminine singular, so we will go with feminine singular case. Quelle histoire vous a-t-il raconté? That means which story did he tell you? Now, the next sentence is, dash film veut-il voir? Film is masculine plural, so we will take masculine plural case. Quel film veut-il voir means which films does he want to see? Now the next one is dash langue parle-t-il. Langue is feminine plural. So we'll take feminine plural case. Quelle langue parle-t-il? Which languages do they speak? Now the next statement is a dash leçon lis-tu. Now leçon is feminine plural. So we'll use feminine plural case. Quelle leçon lis-tu? Means which lessons are you reading? À dash heure vous réveillez-vous? Now heure is feminine singular. So we'll use feminine singular case. À quelle heure vous réveillez-vous? Means at what time do you wake up? Now the next one is dash saison préférez-vous? Again saison is feminine singular. So we'll go with feminine singular case. Quelle saison préférez-vous? Which season do you prefer or like? Quels fruits veux-tu acheter? Which fruits do you want to buy? Dash sont les mois de l'année? Mois de l'année is masculine plural. So we'll go with masculine plural case. Quels sont les mois de l'année? Means what are the months of the year? Now the next one is dash sont vos loisirs préférés? Now loisir is masculine plural. So we will use masculine plural case. Quels sont vos loisirs préférés? Means what are your favorite hobbies? Now the next one is dash sont vos projets pour le week-end? Now projet is masculine plural. So we'll take masculine plural case. Quels sont vos projets pour le week-end? What are your plans for the weekend? Now the last sentence is dash image as-tu aimé le plus? Now image is feminine singular. So we'll go with feminine singular case. Quelle image as-tu aimé le plus? Which image or picture did you like the most? So this is how we place les adjectifs interrogatifs according to the gender and number of the given noun. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.